Hedra AI versus Dreamina AI. Both promise to turn your ideas into stunning content, but which one actually delivers? In this honest review, we'll break down both tools, compare their strengths, and help you decide which AI creator fits your needs best. So let's start with Hedra AI. Hedra AI from Hedra.com is a cutting edge platform that generates high quality video and image content using AI. It's designed for creators, marketers, and businesses that want fast, consistent visuals without hiring a full production team. What makes Hedra stands out is its multimodal approach, letting users generate short video ads, animated clips, or static social media posts from simple prompts. Hedra also offers template-based editing, timeline control, and brand customization, making it ideal for people who need output fast but want some creative control. With regular updates and workflow integrations, it's becoming a favorite for teams managing scalable content production. Dreamina AI focuses more on creative visual storytelling. It blends AI image and video generation with a layer of artistic ideation. It's built to help designers, creators, and marketers brainstorm and visualize content in a more imaginative and less structured way. You can use Dreamina to generate concept art, visual mood boards, or story driven animations with a few lines of text. Its strength lies in its visually rich, aesthetic first approach, offering unique filters, AI styles, and layout suggestions that feel more designed than mass produced. Dreamina is especially useful when you're early in the creative process and want to explore visual directions before committing to final productions. And now for the feature comparisons. For Hedra AI, the main focus is scalable video and image content. For Dreamina AI, you have creative ideation visuals. For video generation, both are able to do that. Hedra AI for timeline and templates, and Dreamina AI for narrative style videos. For image generation, Hedra AI is optimized for social assets. Dreamina AI is optimized for aesthetic first visuals. In terms of workflow automations, Hedra AI integrates with tools. However, Dreamina AI has limited automation. For customization options, Hedra has timelines, logos, and colors, but Dreamina AI is style-based and less control. Hedra AI is best for agencies, marketers, and startups, while Dreamina is best for designers, creatives, and solo creators. Now let's break down the pros and cons. For Hedra AI, it has fast scalable content generation. Hedra is perfect for businesses that need to create multiple pieces of content at scale. Its automation features save time and improve consistency across platforms. It is workflow friendly with template logic. You can create repeatable content using prompts and templates, then tweak outputs to match different campaigns or brands. This makes it ideal for social teams and ad agencies. It has easy brand customization. Add logos, control brand colors, and structure video timelines, giving you professional looking results without deep video editing knowledge. However, it has less creative flexibility. While powerful for execution, it's more limited when it comes to abstract or artistic exploration. You may feel boxed in creatively if you're not working from a solid concept. Its output can feel templated. Though customizable, many outputs still follow a similar rhythm or layout, not ideal for standout, one of a kind visuals. Hedra may require a learning curve for timelines. Timeline based video control is powerful, but beginners might need time to understand how to best use it for dynamic edits. And now for Dreamina AI. Let's start with the pros. It is highly creative and visually rich outputs. Dreamina shines in the idea stage with visuals that feel unique, artistic, and often abstract. It's ideal for creative professionals who value originality. It has style first generation modes. You can choose visual modes, aesthetics, and story driven sequences that give your content a handcrafted vibe, even if it's made by AI. It is great for brainstorming visuals. If you're stuck creatively or need concept art or visual references, Dreamina helps unblock you and offers fresh directions. However, it's not built for mass production workflows. You will likely need to export, edit, and polish Dreamina's outputs in external tools if you're aiming for professional, brand consistent content. It has limited automation tools. There's no workflow system, batch generation, or third party app integrations, making it slower for scaling up output. It has less control over output structure. Dreamina leans heavily on artistic interpretation, so you won't always get exactly what you expect from a prompt, which can be both a pro and a con. So, which AI content tool wins? If you're a brand, business, or marketer looking to generate lots of consistent video and image content fast, Hedra AI is the clear winner. But if you're a creative designer or content creator looking for visual exploration and inspiration, Dreamina will likely spark more magic. Pick the one that aligns with your goals, or use both to bridge strategy and creativity. So, which AI are you using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons. And see you in the next video.